Bandase, Hlalan Panskes and Hlalan Pans. So Kuko Ote, I must touch on Fanny Masemula, like Sizumi in Kuye and find out what the commissioner is saying about Fanny Masemula. Fanny Masemula is the national commissioner, meaning that he boss Mkhwanazi. So Mkhwanazi directly reports to Fanny Masemula. Fanny Masemula guys against Angando. Even when they were closing the political killings task team, Fanny Masemula did not sign anything. So his signature, ebemani hamba, flyer, if his signature got deputy national commissioner, which is Valone Tlokonkulkanen. Nankumano mfanene Ntlokonkulu guys, Usbiya, yes, which is Usbiya. So Usbiya nguye bemane signer ezinto. So bezingafiki nofika etafuleni kaFani. Yabo. So uFani yena shemai, into esingam accuse ngayo nje bubugwala. Enye nenye hayi bengayazi shem ligwala qha and ke ubugwala ayo crime. Ubugwala ayo crime. And then ke ngoku Fanny Masemula also did an interview after Mkhwanazi enzela press conference. Fanny Masemula also did an interview. Babebembuza is the general safe now, meaning Mkhwanazi is he safe? And then he mentioned no, there has been threats to his life, kwatin, but he managed to beef up his security. Yabo, I fine. So kubuzwa the same question ku president in an interview nakhona, press interview. Ni search up ku TikTok guys. Kubuzwa the same question ku Ramaphosa ba, is the general safe na? Kwatin, did you beef up his security? Kwatin. President uthi ngibani lo? Akuchop dake guys. Kusho Ramaphosa uthi ngibani lowo? Ayibo. Tingbalo, kuthi no, General Mkhwanazi, president, is he safe? Kwatin. Athi hayibo, kanti ngibani police? Police amos, usebenza bupoliseni. If he is feeling So basically what Ramaphosa is saying is that if Mkhwanazi is feeling unsafe, ufuneka enze plan because ipolice apha nguye. I think yes, I think it's, but that's what the president is saying. Uichilo, uthi Mkhwanazi nguye osebenza bupoliseni. If he's feeling unsafe, usebenza nabantu, he must beef up his own security or whatever he meant by that. But ke guys, ehamba kanjalo shem uFanny Masemula, he is innocent in all of this. He didn't sign any funny documents. In fact, ebengayazi yonke lento. You know, uthuka sekuswa into ethile yenzeka akazinto. Yabo, so he was not aware of any of it. So I shem innocent bantas.